Hi guys, welcome to How to Maximize. In this video, I will show you how to clear Telegram cache on mobile. To start this tutorial, open your application store. In the search bar, search for Telegram. Once you find Telegram, tap on it. In here, it should say update instead of open. If it says open, you're all good. If it says update, update the application. Once you will be done, you are now going to close your app store. And now you're going to proceed and go to Settings. Over at Settings, click on General. Just scroll down to find it. This one over here. Once on General, tap on iPhone Storage. Once you are in iPhone Storage, you can either scroll down or use the magnifying glass on the upper right to search for Telegram. Once you find it, tap on it, and the option there, it says Offload App. You can now do so by just tapping on it. After offloading the app, it will now say Reinstall App. You just have to reinstall Telegram once again, and then it should all be good in your mobile device. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, share, subscribe to the channel.